guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically enhance your audio in CapCut PC. So I know like currently my audio isn't the best because my mic is broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this audio from my video here, and I'm just going to show you guys how you can like remove background noise. Select enhance voice here and make sure your intensity is at 100%. So before, okay, I'll show you the before, and I'm going to type in the word banana. As you can see, there's this like beep. Hopefully it gets deleted. I'll just select that and enhance voice, and I'm just going to wait for it to load for a few minutes. And this is, hopefully it deleted it, but this is what it should sound like. And I'm going to type in the word banana. As you can see, now it sounds clean, but I don't have Pro, so you're just going to have to hear that beep noise. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And if you found this video helpful, please, I think I already said that, but thank you so much for watching. Bye.